पुलकैनिचितं वपु कदा तव नाम गहने भविष्यति प्रेम धन बिना व्यर्थ दरिद्र जीवन दास करी वेतन मोरे देह प्रेम धन अपराध फले मम चित्त भेल वज्र सम तुआ नामे नाला भेबी कारो हताशो हइया हरि तब नाम उच्च करी बड़ो दुखे डाकी बारो हारो दीन दयामय करुणा निदान भाव बिंदु दे रखो परान तबे तब नाम उच्चारणे मोर नयने झड़ब दर दर लोर नयने झड़ब दर दर लोर गद गद सर अंते उपजब केवल आधो आधो भैरव पुलके भरब शरीर हमार सिद्ध कंप स्तंभ हबे भर भर विवरण शरीर भरव्य ज्ञान नाम समाश्रय धरबु पराण मिलाब आमार कि होइछे दिन रय भक्ति विनोद मतिहीन हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे Hare Krishna कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे स्वयं लीला सूचना स्वयं राधांश सखा निज रमन कृते प्रसीतानेक भज्यं सखा नितेश शेषासन मुदित हृदं Tang cha brajendrum Sushnatang Ramabhisham Grihamanu Janani Lalitang Prapta Goshtang Nibbudha Sahasradalish Doham Sagrihamanu Sagriham Punarbhuktavantang Smarami. So this is the period, what pastimes going on, that Radharani prepared many fruits, many foodstuff, sweet foodstuff. Amrita Keli, Kaurpur Keli, and that foodstuff he sent to Krishna through on Sakhis. And Sakhi also brought back the Krishna remnant. Krishna honored it and left over. She brought back to Radharani. Radharani honored this Krishna's remnant and become extremely blissful. Then Krishna eventually reached the Nanda Maharaj's palace. The Mother Jashoda and her associate, they greet Krishna and they're wiping the Krishna's dusty body. And Krishna immediately goes to this cow shed, Gaushala, for milking cow. Then after returning from Gaushala, whatever Mother Jashoda prepared for Krishna, Krishna also eating that. That is the pastimes. It's going on right now. So in this regard, you can just look that everywhere, always teaching us, eat. So today also Radha Sharma prepare halwa for you. Halwa. Hari bol. Man kothakar eta ekhankar na ekhankar? Samadhi. Sri Radhika Sayankale Krishna lagi pathaile. Sokhi haste bibido mishtano. Krishna bhukta seshwani Sokhi dil sukhumani. Paiya Radha hoilo prosanno. Snatoram beshodhori Jashoda lalito hori. Sakha saho budo nukori. নানাবিধ পকন্ন পাইয়া হইল পরশন্ন মরি আমি পরম হরি হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে রাম হরে রাম 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 হরে হরে
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ramo, Hare Ramo, Ramo Ramo, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ramo, Ramo Ramo, Hare Hare. Sai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Sai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. প্রেম ধন বিনা ব্যর্থ দরিদ্র জীবন দাস করি বেতন মোরে দেও প্রেম ধন. What do you mean? Prem dhon bina. What is our ultimate goal of spiritual practice? Ultimate goal of spiritual practice to get prem, pure love for Krishna. Only that is our goal. Pure love for Krishna. If it is not taking place in our spiritual practice, that means we are really poor and our practice become meaningless. Useless and meaningless. Bharto. Poor, meaningless and useless. Who has the prem, your love for Krishna? Show me your hand. Show me your hand. Oh, someone. Who is this? May I see your face? Who is this? Oh, Nivedita. Maybe he has. Our name is Nivedita. Absolute. She realized pure love for Krishna. Bhanumati also, right? Who has pure love for Krishna? Show me your hand. Who is chanting pure name? Show me your hand. Mukesh? So we have to know that Prem Dhan Vina Bharta, our ultimate goal of our practice, spiritual practice, to establish love in our consciousness. Pure love for Krishna in our consciousness. What is the definition of love? If someone asking, what is the definition of love? Who can say? Professor? Huh? What's the, if someone asking what's the definition of love, what do you say? That's good. Loving to Krishna. But what is this definition of love? The object of our service, when we do anything without expectation to satisfy the object of love. Am I clear? Without an expectation, when you render service to satisfy the object of love, that is called love. Object of love. Who is object of our love? Our object of love is Krishna and his pleasure potency Radharani. Radha Krishna become happy. Therefore you can see the pastimes. Radha cooked for Krishna and she sent the preparation, sweet preparation, to Krishna through her associate. Associate brought this sweet stuff when Krishna back from Kawhadi, back home from Kawhadi. On the way she brought all the sweet stuff. Krishna honored it and left over and kept something. No? And Krishna's remnant, that Sakhi's associate, brought back to Radha. And Radha also honored the Krishna remnant and became extremely happy. Hishta Chitta. Hishta Chitta means completely happy. What is the what Sakhi's render? Sakhi's service just to please Radha Krishna. Radharani became happy. Krishna honored and Krishna's remnant Radha took, extremely happy. That is our purpose, to make Radha Krishna together with happy mood, not like intense relation. That is our. Like one day, not only one day, several times this thing happened. Radha, according to their contact, Krishna's explanation, Krishna's expectation, she prepared herself, waiting in her grove, Kunja. But Krishna came to that Kunja extremely late. Extremely late. When Radharani waiting for Krishna, and Krishna not coming, then out of sulky mood, Radha took vow and explained to Lalita and Vishakha, very close associate. Vishakha actually, her quality as good as Radha's quality. Radhika tavo charitra gunanurupam. Vishakha's meditation mantra. Radhika tavo charitra gunanurupam. Radharani's qualities reflecting in the Radharani's quality reflecting in Vishakha's character. Tava charitra gunanurupam. So, Lalita, Vishakha, they are waiting outside Radharani's grove. Krishna arrived extremely late. Radharani covered her head with her veil, part of the cloth, upper garment, covered, crying, weeping, because sulky mood. Inside love, outside showing anger. Then what happened? As soon as Krishna arrived, Lalita Vishakha conveyed the message to Krishna. This is the condition. I think all of you know Krishna always smiling face. No matter. Even Krishna, even Indra came with anger fresh to wash out Vrindavan Dham. Because resident of Vrindavan, they stop Indra's puja, worshipping Indra. Instead of worshipping Indra, they worship Giriraj. Therefore, Indra became angry. Actually, Krishna purposely insists all the Vrindavan residents stop Indra's worshipping, and instead of worship Indra, worship Giriraj. Purposely. Because Indra has false ego, ahankar. So Krishna always destroying our false ego. So therefore, Indra being angry, and when all Vrindavan residents they came to Krishna, surrendered to Krishna. Krishna have to protect all of them. When this situation happened, water fall like one drop of water, like one bucket of water. Such huge water to wash out. Krishna with smiling face lift up Govardhan hill. Never angry towards Indra. And whatever water coming down as a rain, Krishna engaged Agastya Rishi to drink all the water. No flood, and whatever thunderbolt, Krishna lift up Govardhan hill. All the residents, cows, everybody there. After 7 days, Krishna with smiling face holding this, smiling face. Krishna always smiling. smiling. So, this is the nature of Krishna. So now, with the smiling face, Krishna entered after hearing all the complaint from Lalita Vishaka, whatever Radha took vow. The Radharani sitting there, crying. Krishna entered with smiling face. And circumambulance. Radharani. Krishna constantly circumambulance and explaining the glories of Chandravali. Chandravali this, Chandravali that, Chandravali greet such a manner, all Chandravali glories. And then once upon a time, Radharani lost her tolerance. She grabbed Krishna's hand, pulled Krishna out of her grove and telling, I don't like to see you. I don't like to talk to you. I don't like to touch you. Three hits she took vow before. But Krishna's such tricky mood and glorifying Chandravali, she is intolerant. She lost her tolerance and pulled by touching Krishna. The grab touching Krishna, pull Krishna, see Krishna, and speak with Krishna. I don't want to see you. Then Lalita Vishaka say, you did vow before. How come? You did the vow before, but now you touch Krishna, speak with Krishna, and see Krishna. So you already broke your vow. So let us keep both of you together and let us enjoy your pastimes. That is the nature of Gauriya Vaishnava. To keep Radha Krishna together. Object of love. Our object of love is Radha Krishna. And to keep them together, and as we are eternal servant of Radha Krishna, always keep them together, make them happy. That is our practice, spiritual practice. If we don't have such type of loving connection with Supreme Lord, that means we are just like pretending to practice Radha Krishna's union. No, we are really one, and without expectation. Therefore, our Bhaktivinoda Thakur used this word, Prem Dhon Bina Bhatta Daridra Jivan. That prem, pure love for Krishna, if you don't have, then we become our life become meaningless, bhatta, arthahim, and useless, and poor, bhatta Daridra Jivan. Poor. Like Nimai have lots of, Nimai is rich, right? He is crying for Radha Krishna. True or not? Nimai always crying. He climbed up Switzerland, this huge 3 hours journey, walking distance, to climb up this mountain. Yes or no? What's it? Say yes or no. Yes. Verbal.
Yes.
Look. Nimai have love. But his life is not meaningless, useless, poor. Rich, meaningful, useful, right? So look, we may say we have, but it is very difficult. The aparadho phali momo chitta bhelo vajra shamo. Aparad, offenses. Offense. What is offense? What is sin? Sin and offense, both looks like sin. In bad karma, sin, and offense, both look same. Like I have a duty to look after my parents when they are old. But I ignored that. That responsibility. Purpose to come here in the temple to serve Lord and his associates, the Guru Vaishnava. But in this temple, we came the purpose to serve Radha Krishna and his devotees. We are not doing so. Always sleeping, eating, sleeping. Like today, Petai Parota taking place early morning. Someone, they stop to chant Gayatri. Not even take bath. Someone thinking, if it is finished after chanting Gayatri, if finish, I will lose everything, right? Opportunity to get Petai Parota. We ate Petai Parota today morning. We ate Petai Parota today morning. So without chanting Gayatri, he left. Never finished morning ritual. Taking bath, finish Gayatri, then on our breakfast. First we did breakfast, then take bath, then who did so? Somya. Who did such thing? Manumati, Bhakti Pramod. You did? তো ব্যর্থ দরিদ্র জীবন মানে ওটা অপরাধ ফলে মম চিত্র ভেল ভর্জ্য সম. So we are here to serve Radha Krishna and Guru Vaishnava. Instead of serving Radha Krishna Guru Vaishnava, we are always thinking to fulfill our sense gratification desire. Sleeping, eating, sleeping, right? So we left our parents' responsibility that we committed sin. That make us committed sin. Here we came to serve divine couple and their associate. Instead of serving them, we become busy to fulfill our sense gratification desire. So we are not serving. It is also offense. So sin and offense together. Where to go? Golok Vrindavan? I think Jamraj need to open one table for the judgment. Kire, bhalo kore. Jamraj need to open one new table for the judgment. Double bench, Supreme Court double bench, right? So such type of judgment. Because sin and offense. And who is not devotionally inclined, only just ignoring the social duties and responsibility, they are doing some sin only. But here, when you come here, blaspheming to sadhu, the offense. Ignoring our service responsibility, relaxing, it is also offense. Sin can pass away through chanting. But sins, consequence of sins can pass away easily through chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. But offense, especially Vaishnava offense, it will not easy to pass away until or unless we surrender from the bottom of our heart to whom we committed offense. So if we are not doing so, with the aparadha phale mamo, chitta bhelo vajra samo. Due to the offensive activities, my heart becomes like thunderbolt. Chitta bhelo vajra samo. So, although holy name make cleanse all the dirt of our heart. What is dirt of our heart? All the anartha. We become holy name, cleanse the dirt of our heart. Like a name, fame. When I come, holy name curing us material appreciation, recognition, name, fame, desire. Cleansing, curing. Name, fame, material appreciation, recognition, desire. As soon as the dirt cleanse, then appear prem. Aparadho phale momo, chitra bhelo vajra samo. Tua name nala bhe vikaro. No vikar, no ecstasy. Simply we are counting the chanting beats. Mumbling, bubbling way. You know mumbling means? No. Mumbling. Are you chanting mumbling way? Mukesh? Krishnamaya, are you chanting mumbling? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna. This is a mumbling, babbling. This is another way. Pratidin jadi adara koriya senama kirtana kori, with full of love, if we chant every day, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Ram, then cleanse. Chittapallajana. My heart become cool. Cleanse, cool, and completely joyful. Completely joyful. So therefore, mention that aparadho phale momo, chitra bhelo varja samo. Why our heart become rock? Our heart become rock. Always blaspheming as a devotee. we're supposed to increase our compassion for all living beings. Instead of that, we are very harsh towards other devotees. Isn't it? Always anger face. All are doing wrong. I am the right. What Vaishnava's culture is teaching us, our mood when appear, all are right, I am wrong. All are right, I am wrong. Because when your heart cleanses, then you can see everybody cleanse. Everybody doing right. I am wrong. Am I clear what it is? Am I clear? Yes. This is therefore our Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami Pad, he clearly explained, my position is more lower than a maggot worm. Maggot worm. I am more sinful than Jagai and Madhai. We are not able to see, we are not able to say I am more lower than Jagai and Madhai, more sinful than Jagai and Madhai. No. We are trying to say, I am completely cured. Rest have some problem. Rest, all the people we were surrounding in our lineage, all their problem, I am right only. One of our devotees always using Srila Prabhupada says, say that, say this. So no one following Prabhupada's instruction. But indirectly, when we try to prove I am right, all are wrong, this is not also Vaishnava etiquette. Because Vaishnavas, when Vaishnava means pure devotee for Krishna, pure devotee of Krishna, they always look everybody right. I am wrong. When I just reverse feeling, that is called Vajra Sama. Chitta Bhelo Vajra Sama. There is no ecstasy. Tawa name nala baby car. Hatasho hoiya hori. Tabo naam uchcho kori. Bolo dukhe daki baro baro. Hatas, hopeless. When chanting, keep chanting to get the taste of chanting, but not able to get any taste, then hatas, you are hopeless. Oh Lord, you are only my hope. And then chanting loudly. Tabo namo uchcho kori. Chanting loud voice. Bolo dukhe daki baro baro. That is my distress. Biggest distress. Not able to get the taste of chanting. What is the taste of chanting? Taste of chanting make ourselves blissful. Krishna always smiling. Why? Who can smile always? Who is blissful? The Mukesh always smiling. Mukesh too, prasadam. Whatever left over on the plate, no matter who ate, Mukesh has focus. It's prasadam, should not waste. On the plate, the leftover he took, right? Yeah. Leftover took. Sokis has eagerness. Radharani has eagerness to get Krishna's remnant. Mukesh has eagerness to get Krishna's devotees remnant. Right? হইয়াছেন হইবে না প্রভুর যত দাস দন্তে তৃণ করি বন্দেশ মানে কি বলে সবার চরণ বন্ধ দন্তে করি ঘাস হইয়াছেন who already become a devotee হইবেন who is aspiring devotee near future who is going to practice devotion and become devotee. I offer or I surrender to all of them. How? Dante tino, সবার চরণ বন্ধ দন্তে করি ঘাস. Keep a straw in between teeth and surrender to all of them. Such mood is called Vaishnava mood. Who has such mood? Show me your hand. Who has such mood? Or we are going to pay obeisance only that person who is sannyasi, right? Not only sannyasi nowadays, to whom I like, right? But here, হইয়াছেন হইবেন প্রভুর যত দাস. Devotee, aspiring devotee, future devotee, all of them. Sabara Charana Bandha, I am paying obeisance to all of them. How? Keep a straw in between teeth. No complaint. Whatever they have fault, no complaint. Is it possible? If you wear blue glass, what you look? Everything blue, right? Red glass, everything red. When you wear devotional glass, you can see everything devotional. Everything in devotion. Quarreling also devotion. Quarreling devotion, right? Krishnamaya also in devotion. Krishnamaya in devotion, right? Yes or no? I cannot understand. What is that? Yes. Loudly. Really? Yes. Krishnamaya in devotional practice. So anyway, but devotion never allow any sense gratification. Only Krishna's gratification. In South, there is a woman, the name of the woman, who accepts Vishnu is her husband, who Andal, right? Mirabai, same thing. Andal decorating for a purpose. You know better than me, right? Tell me. Tell her. Little bit. You are professor.
Andal was one among the 12 Andals. Actually, in Sri Vaishnavas, they consider that Andal follows the path of Srimati Lalita Seti, and she was born on Tulasi Van near to Srivilliputturu. And Periyalvar, who was a father of Andal, but not to the biological way, he found Andal from the Tulasi Van, and he was brought up by, she was brought up by Periyalvar.
But she never married, right? Not as she never married outwardly to any person. She married to Vishnu, right?
Lord Ranganath.
Ranganath.
Everyone was black.
That is okay. Decoration, first class decorative form. She kept her form. Purpose? To please Lord. To please Lord. Similarly, whatever Krishnamaya did, everything for Lord's satisfaction, right? Krishnamaya, everything Lord satisfaction. Huh? What do you mean? No. You did just with a devotion, right? So then in that base, I just explained that. Huh? So look at everything. When with our each activity, trying our best way to satisfy object of our worship. Our object of worship is Radha, Krishna, Gauranga, Mahaprabhu, and Guru Vaishnava. Then we can say devotion. Shuddha devotion, pure devotion. What is the definition of pure devotion? Bhaggal. Huh? Louder. Yes, Bhanumati explain.
Not have any desire that is not connected to God. We should not have any desire that is not connected to pleasing Supreme Lord.
Anya Vilashita Shunyang means what? What by what translation? Anna means others. Avilash means desire. Other desire. Shunya means empty. Zero. Other desire is zero. Then desire should be there. What desire? We keep. Krishna satisfaction desire. With our each activities, the petai parota, without Gayatri, without taking bath, if you eat, if you feel this is Krishna's satisfaction, then pure devotion. Right? Prabhu Abhiram Thakur does. So, Krishna satisfaction, no any other desire, means no any desire for fulfilling sense gratification desire. No any desire where we have some tendency to satisfy our senses. That is called Allah Anya Bhilashita Shunnam. Then Jnana Karma Anavritam. What do you mean? No, okay, Krishnamai. Tell me. Jnana Karma Anavritam. Surrender. I cannot hear, right? Who actually doing karma? What is the definition of karma? Who has goal to get material appreciation and recognition with their activities? That is called karma. Material appreciation and recognition, name, fame. Who has goal in that goal which keeping busy himself, like karma, jnana, who has goal to merge with Lord, to get same fame of Lord, become God. Sarupya, sajujya, samipya, to stay near to God, same abode of God, same opulence of God, samipya salokya sasti. Those liberation who has, those tendency of liberation who is keeping in our mind and accordingly practice, that is called jnana. So what is our previous teachers explain about jnana karma? If you run behind jnana and karma, what is going to happen? If you run behind jnana and karma, what is it? Karma kando, jnana kando, kebal amriter bhando. No? What? Vish means amrit, right? Poison. To drink poison is good or bad? Good wala. What's the name? What is the name? Amit. Poison if you take, that will make your life bright or finished. Finished. We want to be finished. We want to reach Lord to as eternal servant of Supreme Lord. That is our goal. That is our goal. Ultimate goal. But here we want to fulfill our sense gratification desire. People will appreciate me. People will respect me as a God, as good as God. Samipya, salokya, sajujya, sasti. Sarupya. If I sit here with 4 arms, Shankha, Chakra, Gada, Padma, what do you think? Oh, Maharaj, he is really, really God. Vishnu, same form of Vishnu, but have no footprint of Higumuni. In Vaikuntha, Joy Vijay also have 4 arms. If Krishnamaya is sitting here, 4 arms, Shankha, Chakra, Gada, Padma, what is going to happen? Everybody should pay obeisance to, right? Will you pay obeisance to her or not? Respect her as a Lord Vishnu or not? Right? So this is good or bad? This is her actual identity or not? This is not identity. So therefore, this is a karma kando, jnana kando, kebala bishera bhando. Bee is poison, bhando, pot, poisonous pot, full of poison but tasty, sweet taste. If you drink this poison, sweet, great. Amrita boliya jeba khai. What is going to happen? Nana joni bhromi more, kodarajo bhakshan kare. So life after life, they will surrounding this samsar. Samsar means attachment, sense gratification attachment, sense enjoyment, the attachment. I want this, I want that, I want always want. Krishna says, okay, go, enjoy it. Okay, you are too much attached for fulfilling your sense gratification desire. Then Durvasa is, remember, Durvasa meditation broke with the Sahosiks activities. Sahosiks, Banasur son Sahosik. What cards Durvasa gave him? Sahosik. What cards? Cards. Durvasa cards Sahosik. What? Sahosik, one person who is son of Banasur. So Durvasa cursed him. What? To become donkey. Because his activities was as good as donkey. As good as donkey. Many women he's trying to enjoy. Right? So, Nana Jani Bhumi Mare Kodaraja Bhakshan Kare. Our activity, karma. Our karma pulling down us different life, body. Sahasik was human form, then he became donkey form. And his name became Dhanukashur. Then you can say Nalakuber Munigriv, shameless. He becomes shameless. Don't care about anyone. Moving here and there, half-naked manner. Showing people with half-naked. This is shameless. What is the consequence to become shameless? So Nalakuber Munigriv, what? They become? What tree? Name of the tree? Jamalarjun Vriksha tree. Activities. Am I clear? Am I clear? Then just to think one after another, just to look. Our activities, our karma will bring pulling us down to the next life. Therefore, we have to think about, do you want to stay here or you want to get out from here? What do you want? Get out. Huh? So get out means we should leave karma gyan. Jnana karma anabritam, surrender. Am I clear? Surrender. Then anukullena krishnanushilanam. Whatever favorable for devotional practice, we have to accept. No matter to argue. Actually devotional, who is devotional inclined, our lineage, member of lineage showing us the example, keep a straw in between teeth and no argument. If you keep a straw in between teeth, if you speak, straw will fall down. Keep a straw in between teeth. I mean, no argument. So our previous teacher says, get up early morning, attend Mangalarati, take bath, and Mangalarati. You can see our Sundar Gopal Prabhu. His Holiness Sundar Gopal Prabhu. His Holiness Sundar Gopal Prabhu, he has cold allergy, sneezy. But he has to attend. His determination, attend this. Therefore he put mask there. Why he is suffering? Because that is good for our devotional practice to attend Mangalarati. But Nimai Prabhu, he is lying down on the bed and in spirit he is joining. Outwardly we can see he is lying on the bed and sleeping on the bed, but in spirit he is attending Mangalarati. Am I right?
I wish.
My question is, what is Anukullena Krishna Anusna? What is favorable for Krishna's devotion? To serve Vaishnava, it is favorable for Krishna's devotion or not? So Vaishnavas ate prasadam in the hall. Who is cleaning that hall? Show me her hand. Only Lakshmana's responsibilities, or our responsibility too? Every day who is sweeping enter temple? That is devotional practice or not? Who is doing so? Show me a hand. Who is this? Gangi. I cannot see her face. Who is this? Who is this? Enter temple? So sweeping, also cleaning toilet. It is favorable for devotion or not? Inside temple campus, cleaning toilet, it is favorable for devotion or not? Who is cleaning the toilet? After cleaning toilet, for the satisfaction of Lord and his devotees, have to take bath, change outfit. Who is cleaning the toilet, and then after that who is taking a bath and change outfit, fresh outfit? Who is doing so? So many tiny things in the inside temple which is favorable for devotion, we are not doing so. Instead of that, we are looking fault of others. The Vishnu Priya Devi, for the favorable of devotional practice, she is every day chopping all the vegetables. She is busy. She is going to school, just now returning, just now. 10 hours job, right? Whatever time left over, we should try our best way to keep everything which is favorable for devotional service, devotional practice. Anukullena Krishnanushilanam. Radha cook halwa. Who sponsored it today? Show me your hand. Show me your hand. His Holiness Arjun Singh, sponsoring. So feed halwa. All of you devotee, right? That is Krishna Sulanam. Who cooked the halwa? Show me your hand. Show me your hand. Who cooked the halwa? The Radharani cook. Radha Dasi cook. Parashmani also. Parashmani. So both are cooked for all of us. That is favorable for devotion or not? Tiny things. Always you have to look after. That is which is favorable for devotion, means which is satisfying the devotees. That is also favorable for devotion. Therefore, if you really come here for practice, devotional practice, then we have to always think about what is my responsibility here. What I am doing which can make Lord happy. Cleaning toilet, make Lord happy. Cleaning utensil, make Lord happy. Cleaning, sweeping all the floor, entire temple, This will not make happy. Wiping the floor, that will not make me happy. What we are doing? Cooking for devotee, like Radha Dashi cook phalava for all of us. Right? And Arjun working whole day, no, not whole day, 4 hours. He born 10 June 2004. 10 June 2000, 21-year-old, 4 hours work. $6,000 he's earning. So I told him, serve. He said, wait, no problem. I can serve. No problem. The halwa, sponsoring, every day, next 4 or 5 days. Right? So, Anukulyena Krishnanushilanam. Now, Bhanumati translating, attending phone call of Rasheshwari. What is Rasheshwari? Attending phone call of Rasheshwari. What is Rasheshwari?
Maybe
She hate my class.
she's doing some service. She's busy with some service.
Okay. So anyway, he is translating, attentively listening and translating Paruski language, Russian language. Also, Anukulyena Krishnanushilanam. Anything, any endeavor, whatever make Lord happy and his devotees happy, that is Anukulyena Krishnanushilanam. Favorable for Krishna's devotion. Bhakti Ruttama. That is pure devotion. Am I clear? So, every day think about what is my part, what service I am rendering for the satisfaction of Krishna's devotee and Krishna. Attending Mangalarati, attending class, in the class, sitting and eating petai parota. Is it good? Sitting class and eating petai parota. Good or bad? Who did so? Show me your hand. That means there is Lord always in his katha. Hari kotha, where is Lord Hari? Our PBS teachers say, in the glorification of Lord Hari. In the class, what we are doing? We are glorifying Lord or we are rejecting Lord? What? Glorifying Lord. While we are glorifying Lord, and if someone eating petai parotha inside class, so this is favorable for devotion or not? This is favorable for devotion or not? Show me. Who agree? This is not favorable for devotion. Who agree? Show me. Who agree? No, everybody not agree. Huh? Not agree. So anyway, I'm just back and forth because I'm trying to make you understand with reality. Realistic manner we have to think about. What is favorable for devotion? What is karma? What is jnana? Why anabritam? What is meaning of anabritam? To leave it. How? Where to throw it? Everything we have to throw. Where? Our previous teachers say, Sarvasya tamar charane shapiya Podechi to mara ghare. Sarvasya, all, everything. Where to throw? Materially, whatever we have, everything offer to your Lord, O pure devotee, in your feet. Sarvasya tamar charane shapiya Podechi to maro ghare. As a dog, we have to be with Vaishnava. As a dog. How? What is the nature of the dog? Nature of the dog, whatever leftover on everybody's plate, he is eating lavishly, palatably eating. Right? Dog, what food you are giving? Street dog, buying dog biscuits, whatever leftover on your plate, right? Tabo nijo jan prasada sebiya uchishta rakhibe jaha amara bhojan paramanande pratidina hobe taha. This is how to eat. Paramananda, extremely blissful. Eat with extremely blissfully. Blissfully will eat what? Leftover from the devotee's plate. So Mukesh, what he does? Mukesh. That is prasadam, honoring real manner, honoring prasadam. I can give an example. One day, one of our Guru Vargo, Bhaktisarang Goswami Maharaj, came when lunch prasad over. Although before he left temple, he explained who is look after prasadam, who is controlling prasadam. He gave his plate, gave him this plate, his plate, and requesting, please keep save one plate prasadam for me. I may be late today, coming back. So, somehow or other, that person, Bhandari, who is responsible, who is controlling prasadam, he forget. He was shouting, hey, I told you, whatever. Prasadam, prasadam, prasadam. Prabhupada in his room, in Bagbazar Gaudiya Math, Prabhupada in his room, and chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, inside room. Prabhupada, after prasadam, we are taking a nap, right? It's only me taking a nap. Otherwise, my mood, my eyes goes everything 2%. Therefore, I have to take a nap. I become free today after 4:30. I take nap. You may think he is useless sannyasi because he is sleeping till sunset, during sunset. Useless, right? What to do? I have to do seva, right? Instead of sleeping here on the chair, I have to take a nap a little bit, right? On that basis, I just taking nap. So, what I say?
Srila Prabhupada was chanting in his room.
That means you are listening carefully. So, Srila Prabhupada not taking a nap, chanting. Then when he heard the loud voice of Goswami Maharaj, he coming out of his room, and that time Goswami's name was Atulananda. Aprakita Prabhu, Aprakita Prabhu, come here. He said, Prabhupada, listen for me, Prabhupada. Oh my God, my shouting maybe make Prabhupada wake. But not Prabhupada, no. Prabhupada actually closed his door and chanting inside. So then Prabhupada taking a stick, going ahead in the cane, going ahead, towards garbage, where the street dog eating all the leftover plate. You know, Bengali people, devotees, mostly they are taking so many things, like rice like a mountain, dal like a river. Such type of, they are not able to finish. Whatever not able to finish, that's everything throw the plate, with plate, everything. Prabhupada came and chasing all the dogs. Srila Prabhupada chasing all the dogs from that garbage. And from that garbage, whatever prasadam devotee ate, the remnants, also dogs touching their, licking that plate, the rice they took, grandson. Now, aprakita babu, there is prasadam, just clean and take it. This is fact. What Mukesh did, that I remember. This thing, the Mukesh did real sense of prasadam. Understanding, real manner understanding prasadam. Prasadam aprakito. And the Prabhupada, the disciple of Prakita Prabhu. And Prabhupada's example of the Prakita means, this is not material. Chinmay, transcendental, aprakita. Name transcendental, example transcendental, Prabhupada is transcendental, everything connects in transcendental. Am I clear? So this is the call, devotion. কোথায়? বসুন। একটু হালুয়া দেওয়া হবে। খাবে না? খাবে? হালুয়া? না দেবে? So look, this is the, anyway, I have to, no, this is late. Today no Gajendra Maksam Lila. Tomorrow Gajendra Maksam. Tomorrow Gajendra Maksam Lila. Actually, Gajendra Maksam, all Trikut Parvat explanation make me feel bored. I have to explain his synopsis and teachings. Only prayer I can take. Gajendra prayer. Jagaitanga nimeshana chakshusha prabhishayitang Shunnaitanga jagat sarvang govinda virayinami Udbege divas na jay khana hoilo juga sama বর্ষার মেঘ প্রায় অশ্রু বর্ষে দুনয়ন গোবিন্দ বিরহে শূন্য হইল ত্রিভুবন তুষানলে পড়ে যেন না যায় জীবন গাইতে গাইতে নাম কি দশা হইল কৃষ্ণ নিত্য দাস মুই হৃদয়ে স্ফুরিল জানিলাম মায়া পাশে এ জড় জগতে গোবিন্দ বিরহে দুঃখ পায় না নামতে গোবিন্দ বিরহে দুঃখ আর যে সংসার মোর নাহি লাগে ভালো कहाँ जाए कृष्ण हेरी ए चिंता विशालो कांदीते कांदीते मोर आखि बरिशयो वर्षाधार हेन चक्षे हईल उदय निमेष हईल मोर शत जुग सम गोविंद विरह आर सहिते अक्षम शून्य धारा ताल चौदिके देखिए परान उदास হয় কি করি স্থির নাহি হয় জীবন নাহি করয় ব্রজবাসীগণ মোর প্রাণ রাখো দেখাও শ্রী রাধানাথে ভকতি বিনোদ মিনতি মানিয়া লহ হে তাহারে সাথে শ্রীকৃষ্ণ বিরহ আর সহিতে না পারি পরাণ ছাড়িতে আর দিন দুই চারি গাইতে গোবিন্দ নাম উপজিল ভবগ্রাম দেখিলাম যমুনার কূলে বৃষভানুসুতা সঙ্গে শ্যামনট বড় রঙ্গে বাঁশরি বাজায় নিপমূলে দেখিয়া যুগল ধন অস্থির হইল মন জ্ঞানহারা হইলু তখন কতক্ষণে নাহি জানি জ্ঞান লাভ হইল মানি আর নাই ভেল দর্শন সখী গো ক্ষেমতে ধরিব পরা নিমেষ হইল যুগের সমান ক্ষেমতে ধরিব পরাণ শ্রাবণের ধারা আখি বরিশয় শূন্য ভেল ধরা তল গোবিন্দ বিরহে প্রাণ নাহি রহে কেমনে বাঁচিব বল ভকতি বিনোদ অস্থির হইয়া পুনঃ নমস্বয় করি ডাকে রাধানাথ দিয়া দর্শন প্রাণ রাখ নহে মোরি Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ramo 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ramo 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 Hare Hare
Prados Lila Suchanam Radhang Saliganantam Sita Sita Nisa Jaggabesham Prodose Duttva Vrinda Podesha Abhishrita Jamunatira Kalapagda Kunjam Krishnangappai Sabhayam Bhita Gunikala Lokonam Snigdhamatra Jatna Daniya Sangsahita Moto Nibhritang Prapta Kunyang Smarami means Krishna and Radharani's pastime. Vrinda Sakhi prepare Radharani accordingly, waxing moon cycle, white color outfit, winning moon cycle, black color outfit, and prepare Radharani accordingly in this way and giving signal, Sanket. The Sanket grove between Nandagaon and Barshana. Middle of this. Then Mother Jashoda accordingly feed Krishna and let Krishna sleep in his room. But when Krishna saw the signal and also all the cowherd boys calling Krishna, the Krishna from window he left the room. Went to Sanket Kunja and stay overnight with Radha. That is the pastimes from 9 to 12. In this video, going there that much. After that stay. So that is the pastimes happening between 9 to 12. Now 7, 2 hours before, because we are going to sleep, right? Radha Brinda Upo Dese Jamuna Pakulo Dese
Radha Brinda Upo Dese Jamuna Pakulo Dese
Sanketika Kunje Obhishare
Sanketika Kunje Obhishare
Shita Shito Nisha Joggo ধরিবেশ কৃষ্ণ ভোগ সখী সঙ্গে সানন্দ অন্তরে গোপ সভা মাঝে হরি নানা গুণ কলা হেরি মাতৃযত্নে করিল শয়ন রাধা সঙ্গ সঙ্গরিয়া নিভৃতে বাহির হইয়া প্রাপ্ত কুঞ্জ করিয়া স্মরণ হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে হরে हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 रामो राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल जय श्री श्री गुरु गौरंगंधे विग्रधारी जू की जय पंचतत्वाद मक्ष गौर हरि की जय श्री गुरुपाद पद्म नित्यलीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद श्रोतर सदा श्रीमद भक्ति प्रमद पुरी गश्यामी ठाकुर की जय सपार्थ सपरिकर नित्यलीला प्रविष्ट शिल प्रभुपाद भक्त सिद्धांत सरस्वती गश्यामी ठाकुर की जय नित्यलीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद परमहंस कल चूड़ामणि ठाकुर शिल गौर किशोरदास बाबाजी गश्यामी महाराज की जय नित्यलीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद सच्चिदानंद श्री शिल भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर की जय नित्यलीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद वैष्णव सार्वभौम श्री शिल जगन्नाथ दास बाबाजी गश्यामी महाराज की जय श्री रूपानुग गुरु वर्गो की जय अजय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद की जय चारी धाम की जय चारी संप्रदाय की जय चारी संप्रदाय आचार्य बिंद की जय भक्त प्रहलाद महाराज की जय भक्त विघ्न विनाशन भक्त विघ्न विनाशन सर्व विघ्न विनाशनकारी नृसिंह देव की जय आकर मठ राशि चैतन्य मठ की जय चतुर्मास्य व्रतों की जय कार्तिक व्रतों की जय ऊर्जा व्रतों की जय दामोदर व्रतों की जय उद्बलनकारी भक्त वृंदों की जय समागत भक्त वृंदों की जय नमाचार्य हरिदास ठाकुर की जय भुवन मंगल हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय गौर प्रमानंदे
गुरुदेव की जय। На оладушки я буду еще сметану.